Hey, I get a lot of people asking me, what is DID and what is the value of it? Well, DID, at its most primal level, is a Web3 blockchain product. It's identity that's decentralized. And there are three parts to a true decentralized identity. The three parts are the Sybil resistance. Is it immutable? Is it provable? Basically, is it on chain? This is something that we've solved. The second thing is verifying the user's identity. Well, somebody reliable has to do that. You can't just claim your own identity. You can't just say, yeah, I don't launder money, or I am who I say I am. I am a unique human, or I'm a human at all, because there's no trust there. And the third part is data privacy. If you put that information on chain where it's immutable and provable, then it's visible to anybody. That's the point of blockchain, and all of that information is public. So you have to preserve the privacy of the user's information, and you have to verify that information, and you have to make it immutable and provable. But there's no real technology available right now that can do all of those three things in a perfectly decentralized way. You have to rely on somebody to do two of those things. So how does it work, and how does it provide value to the end user, and how does it provide value to people who are taking advantage of using this service for their projects that need these types of verifications, or that where these verifications help make their user base safer and have more equal governance, or airdrops, or various other applications? Well, you have a company that has to verify this information and store it centrally on their own servers, or with whatever servers they're using. Now, you have to trust those companies. It's not perfectly trustless in that sense. There's no real way to do that. And there are various things that you want to look for in those companies. You want to see how long they've been in business. You want to see how many users they have. You want to see if they've broken that trust before, and if they've got enough of a track record for that to be even a reliable source of information. And then what that company does is they put the attestation, they put that proof online that you are verified, you did pass your AML check, or you are a human and that you're unique, or whatever parameters you want. At which point, the value becomes that the user's identity status is then tied to their wallet address. When they make a transaction, that status is coupled with their wallet address, and they don't have to make API calls, or the project doesn't have to make any API calls or anything like that. And you know that it hasn't been tampered with. You know that that user was not able to change that status because it's on chain. So the value is that it's permissionless and immutable. It can't be changed, and you don't need any permission or API calls or anything like that to get that information. Hopefully this sheds some light on the situation, and if anyone has any comments, questions, or anything like that, put it down in the comments, or if you want to learn more about it, I'd be happy to talk. Send me a message in my DMs. Thanks.